Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So today's topic, we are continuing the same series in minutes where we talk about some trending technology or some common skill set in a very brief manner. We just try to give an overview of it and how it's being used in the IT industry. So today's topic is algorithm, and can algorithm be used to solve some real life problem? So we'll discuss more about this and we'll take some common question which is related to this. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So let's first start with the basic question, what algorithm is? So algorithm in a layman terms, it's like a method for accomplishing a task in a step-by-step manner. Now algorithm is not actually the solution. It's actually the idea of solution. Now the next question is, why do we use algorithm? So basically we use algorithm every day to solve our general life problem. It can be a programming question also and it can be some general life problem also. But the thing is if we want to solve a problem, that problem which we have solved today can come tomorrow also or day after tomorrow also. To solve that in a reliable manner, effective manner and efficient manner, we write an algorithm for it or we define some algorithm for it. So this helps in maintaining the good quality and it saves a lot of time. So basically the goal of algorithm is to optimize everything whatever we do. Now let's talk about some of the very complex systems which are running on algorithm and making our life easy. So the first one on the list is Google Maps. At a very superficial level, Google uses a simple algorithm to find the shortest route from origin to final destination with all the alternate route listed in real time. It avoids costly path and chooses the most promising path. And remember, all this is happening within seconds. So this will give you a little bit idea about how Google Maps, whose basically foundation is algorithm, is impacting our life in our daily uses. Now, let's come to the third thing, which is streaming videos. Now, there are various platforms when it comes to streaming video. It can be Netflix, YouTube, or Amazon Prime. But let's talk about YouTube here. So, suppose you opened a YouTube. On your homepage, a bunch of videos will be there. So, the question is how this is getting published. So, based on your location, your watching history, or channel which you have subscribed for, and some other different combination also, your homepage is created. And how this is created? YouTube uses a particular algorithm to make a combination and design your homepage in such a way that there is a high chance, like whatever video which YouTube is suggesting to you, you will click on it or you will watch that particular video. And how this is happening? This is again happening at the like making use the of the algorithm. And the second level which YouTube is using is, like, suppose you search for a particular video, so a bunch of videos will also be there, but there will be different videos. YouTube in the background, it runs an algorithm like with different combinations, like which is the most recent videos published, which videos has the most views on it. It can be a 1 million or it can be k based on the topic. So here also things are happening at two levels. Okay, and all this is happening in within a fraction of second, and the basis of this is again algorithm. Now let's talk about the last but definitely not the least one, which is manufacturing industry. Now when we say manufacturing industry, it includes all from a needle making company to a aeroplane making company. All of them follows a particular design, and this design is aligned with a particular algorithm, and this algorithm is followed day in and day out. So in return what they get, this algorithm helps them to attain maximum output in a minimum time without actually compromising with the quality. So now you might have got a fair amount of idea how much algorithm is changing and impacting the world in a day-to-day basis. So this was pretty much about the algorithm and how it's actually making our life easy. So with this we have come to the end of the video. Hope you like the content, and if yes, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and stay tuned for more content like this. See you in my next video. Thank you.